I'd like to talk a little bit about the fit components that come with CleanSpace. As I've mentioned, we have a neck pad, we have a harness, and we have a mask. Okay, so I'm just going to remove those components. I'd just like to talk a little bit about them and then like to show you how you actually fit them to the CleanSpace. So by start, I'm going to take the neck pad, okay, and the harness off, and I'd like to talk firstly about the mask. So I'm just going to remove the mask by pressing the mask clips. Our masks are made from a silicon material. Silicon is a super comfortable product. This is very soft, it's very pliable, it is very easy to clean. Now we would recommend warm soapy water, rinse the product off, but you can use any of the normal mask wipes that you would typically use for a half mask product. The silicon is very resistant to chemical. It's also very resistant to heat. So the silicon material that this mask is made out of is rated to 300 degrees C on the product. Okay, so if you happen to be using CleanSpace in a welding application, say where you've got some sparks flying around, you don't have to be concerned in regards to the performance of the silicon material that we use in our product. One thing you will perhaps notice as you use CleanSpace and you have the product for a reasonable amount of time is that it will take on a slight yellow tint to it. Now that's very common with silicon. We actually can't stop that from happening. It's how it responds to UV. The discoloration though has absolutely no effect on the actual performance of the product. Okay. If we have a look at the neck pads, so as I mentioned, we have two neck pads available for CleanSpace. We have the thick and we have the thin. Now both of these products are able to be cleaned. So they can be washed, they can be rinsed. The thick neck pad has a foam inner, so that needs to be squeezed out a little bit. But would typically dry overnight, be dry ready for your shift the next day. Our harness has a webbing material and it also has elastic. Again, this can be cleaned and should be cleaned, rinsed out, and will dry overnight for use the next day.